So this is a video that I took when I first got back here. That was a few years ago, but it's the hometown hillbilly trying to figure out what happened to these turkey and these birds. It's some kind of weird disease. So fill me in if you know. The fuck? I don't know, the thing's got something coming out of its, growing out of its fucking dome. It's definitely disease. No bird's gonna let you get this close to it. That motherfucking thing's got something wrong with it. That's not a good thing. It could be that fucking deer disease thing that's going on. Fucking settle down there, buddy. You're about to meet your maker there, bitch. That's not a good thing. It could be that fucking deer disease thing that's going on. Fucking settle down there, buddy. You're about to meet your maker there, bitch. Damn, I wish I had my fucking tomahawk. There's that turkey I was talking about. See the tumors or something that's growing out of the back of its head, on the other side too. When I seen it, it was, well, you seen the video. It definitely was not in good health. But this is the location of where I'm at, right off our property.